Welcome to our video guide on how to propagate grapevines easily at home. Today we'll explore a fascinating and effective method: water propagation through cuttings. Step 1. Selecting the cutting. To grow healthy grapevine plants, the first step is to choose the right cutting. Opt for mature cuttings, ideally 1-year-old with a brown sturdy stem and plump buds. Step 2. Cutting the vine. Use pruning shears or a knife to cut the vine, making sure to cut just above a bud. The ideal length for each cutting is about 15 to 20 centimeters. Too short and it won't develop well. Too long and it may break easily. Step 3. Preparing the base. Before propagation, trim a bit of the bark off the base to expose the inner part. This encourages faster root growth. Step 4. Preparing the styrofoam box. Next, you'll need a styrofoam box. You can use any available box or one that previously held fruit. Create small holes in the lid to insert the cuttings, or simply pierce the lid directly for quicker setup. Step 5. Propagating in water. Fill the styrofoam box with water. For better results, add a small amount of rooting hormone to the water. Gently place the cuttings through the lid so the base is submerged in water. Step 6. Caring for the cuttings. Place the box in a well-lit area, avoiding direct sunlight. Regularly check the water level and replace it to prevent stagnation. Step 7. Root development. In about 30 days, you'll witness the magic as tiny roots begin to sprout from the base, along with budding leaves. It's truly amazing. Step 8. Transferring to soil. Once the cuttings have developed roots and shoots, they can be transferred to pots. Gently place the plant in soil, ensuring the roots have good contact. Remember to water the new plant to keep the soil moist. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you can propagate healthy grapevines at home. This method is easy to follow and highly effective. Why not give it a try?